What's up everybody, it's Mr. DS18 and today we're going to show you guys Jeep stuff. Exactly, Jeep stuff, my favorite car. So here on the table we have the new DS18 Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator door panels, the JL or the JT. These are the front door panels. These are cool door panels. This is a must-do upgrade if you like that loud music, if you like to enjoy your Jeep, topless, mall crawling, whatever you want to do, you should get these. As you can see, our Gladiator already has a set. Now, this door panel can actually fit two 6.5-inch speakers and two of our bullet tweeters. We've added here our waterproof version of our mid-ranges, which are the Pro SM 6.2s, and we have the Pro TW1Ls, which are our RGB tweeters. It also has a DS18 badge in chrome. The whole pod comes out in black. This is ABS plastic injected molded. A lifetime warranty. It won't break, won't crack, won't fade. Now, not necessary do you have to make a hole in your factory door panel to have these on. We have a series of speakers, 3 models available that actually fit in here without having to cut anything, which are our shallow or slim series mid-ranges. Now, if you want to go beefier, then you would have to cut your OEM door panel, and that's up to you. But it's not necessary, trust me, this is very loud. Now, what are we going to show you today? We're going to show you how to install this lever and this lever. This is the lever that's actually supplied by Jeep for the front driver side. This is the lever that lifts up and down the seat, that adjusts the height. This is our lever, the DS18 lever. It's actually the same thing, it just has this design. It does the same function. Why did we create this lever? So, being it's so big and so bulky, when you install the door panel, it won't let you close the door panel. So we're gonna show you in this quick video how to do it. You can do it at home, do it yourself, take it to a shop. We also supply our instruction booklet. These are the tools you're gonna need, pretty easy. It is gonna take you anything from 25 to 45 minutes. So let's watch this video.
The first thing you're gonna wanna do is grab a T47 and you're gonna unnut the bolts. Then you're gonna remove that plastic bolt with a T20. Remove the handle. Now we grab the new handle using the OEM bolts you just took off. Then we replace back the plastic cover. Now with the plastic trim remover, we're going to remove the cover and then we remove the bolt. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove the bolt, remove the knob. Removing the bolts like in step 1, now you have the possibilities of inclining the seat backwards. Now we're going to remove pins that are underneath the cover of the seat. You gently remove them and then you can lift up the cover. So now with the T20 we will loosen up these 2 bolts. Now with the T15, the remaining bolt. Now we remove this clip. Gently pull back. Now we're going to adjust the seat just high enough so we can slip this underneath it, so we can relocate it in this position. Now we grab the bracket that's included in the kit with the screws and the lug nuts. you're going to put the bracket in this position. Okay, so now we grab a 7mm wrench and the Phillips screwdriver. The bolts will be mounted on from inside out. Soft tap. Once that's tightened, we will grab the knob one more time with the bolt. Phillips screwdriver. Put the cover on. Now we slide the bracket. Make sure you have it in the right spot. You bolt back on the T20s. And then you grab that T15 and you put it back in its place so you don't lose it. Once everything's bolted on, you could see the lumbar stays underneath the seat, right next to the seat rail, not disturbing with anything in its way. So you can adjust anytime you want. Once that's done, you bring down the cover. We have a cover as well. We provide it in the kit, so you don't see anything. You won't see that ripped. Then you go back underneath and you use the same clips to clip back the seat cover.
So again, why did we have to do this? Because you want to be able to do this. Doors closed. How about that? So remember, if you want the DS18 Wrangler JL door panels or the Jeep Gladiator JT door panels, visit ds18.com. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.